When it comes to educating our students on healthy choices, it's usually secondary to math, science, and English. It is a proven fact that children should eat at least 5 servings per day of fruits and vegetables. For the Pottstown Area School District, they are trying to make it a priority for their students as they are participating in the Healthy Snack Program. The school district applied for a grant with the Pottstown Health and Wellness Foundation and received funds that would allow their students to try different fruits and veggies every week.
I think it's an excellent program. I think because the children are taking ownership and that becomes their process, they want to learn more and they want to be in charge of it.
I just love to see the students get involved. They are very, very excited about the program. They've come in the health room and ask us, today Healthy Snack Day, what are we going to have for healthy snacks?
Since I came on board, I've been writing grants, annual grants to the Health and Wellness Foundation. We have to write a letter of intent. So for example, in the fall, I wrote a grant for the letter of intent, which was due March 27th. And then we find out if we're awarded the full amount of money first week of June.
After receiving the grant from the foundation, Pottstown hired Bow's Catering to be the supplier of the healthy snacks, at which time they take over the process. Bow's Catered Events then puts together an outline of which fruits and veggies the students will have each week. All the snacks that are brought into the schools are local when they're available in season.
Bow's Catering is a key, essential part of that because in the past we haven't had that organization that they bring to the table. They come prepackaged with the name of the teacher and the number of students that are already in there, and it is ready to roll. We just have it delivered, and it's always early, which is prime and important, so that we can get it out and distribute it early so the teachers have freedom to distribute it when they want.
On Healthy Snack Day, the nurse calls the children down to the nurse's office and then she distributes the snack and the children bring it back to the classroom. We usually don't have snack right away, we usually wait to have it, but when we do, I usually get the passer to pick helpers in the classroom and then they pass out everything that's included. So if, for example, Bow's Catering is going to give us sporks with our healthy snack, then they will be able to pass those along with the napkins, the plates, everything that's provided for us.
Along with educating students on healthy choices, everyone is enjoying their new healthy snacks.
I love best about the snack program because it helped us try new foods that we didn't really get to try before, or because some of us, we live in different places and we can't grow things there, and in the stores they don't have it. So it's nice to have the school bring the foods to us.
They're learning a lot of things. I think most importantly, they're learning to try new things. They're getting to see fruit and vegetables firsthand, and they're learning to try things whether they like it or not, at least one bite. We tell them to take at least one bite, in addition to learning manners and, dealing with individuals and hand washing and all those good things. But the biggest picture is that they've decreased in BMI over the last 3 years. We've seen a major decrease in BMI.
On Healthy Snack Days, when we have it, what we do is we talk about what kind of healthy snack we're having, if it is a fruit or a vegetable, so there's a little bit of science pulled in there. And then we also kind of do almost like a survey. We see how many children have ever tasted it before. We pull in questions like, well, what color is it? Why do you think it's that color? Does it have seeds? Well, what can we do with those seeds? So there's a lot of questioning that goes along with it just to kind of, elaborate a little bit on what we're having for that day.
I think the best part is that it's connected what they're eating to the science curriculum, to healthy living, healthy lifestyles, and more vocabulary is being developed through the graph that they made, through they do what's called a T-graph, and they have to sign their name whether they liked it or didn't like it. So I think it's been a real eye-opener for them, as well as for us, because we've involved our community through Bow's Catering, and they've given us a lot of good things for the kids to learn about.
I learned about fruits and vegetables that even though some fruits and vegetables can't be as tasty as you think that they are, that it doesn't hurt to try. It doesn't hurt to try, but you think that's nasty because you never know if you're gonna like it or not.
We've gotten nothing but very positive feedback at every level, the students, the teachers, administrators, but also the parents. And I've had parents tell me about times when they have taken their child to the grocery store, and the youngster points out a fruit that they probably have never gotten before, and based on what happened in the healthy snacks classes, they get that fruit and take it home. So that's pretty exciting and rewarding to know that it has that type of long-lasting effect.
I have actually had a mother come up to me and she asked her child in the grocery store to pick out a snack for the week, and he picked kiwi. And she says that she knew what kiwi was, but she never saw a whole kiwi. And he took it home and he showed her how to cut them open and showed her how to eat it with a spoon, and now that is one of their favorite snacks.
Teaching young people the value of eating healthy is a lifelong benefit. So what we're doing today is going to help those youngsters not only when they become teenagers and adults, but quite honestly, it's going to help those youngsters' children, because those children are going to grow up with a new sense of understanding about healthy eating. Quite honestly, we're changing the culture of our community, of our country, by using this program. And we like to think that we're changing the world one healthy snack at a time.